Hello students, today we are going to study the first chapter of the book Footprints Without Feet, A Triumph of Surgery, written by James Herriot. Now let us see about the author, James Herriot. James Herriot is a vet in Yorkshire, England during the 1940s. He is assigned to the practice of Seagrave Famine, who together with his mischievous brother already who was a very successful businessman. James undergoes a variety of adventures during his work, which are just as often caused by the characters of the county, including the Farnon brothers, as the animals in his care. Now, let me tell you in brief about the lesson. James Herriot was a vet. He loved dogs and had a number of experiences with dogs and their owner. He has given very interesting accounts of his experience. In this lesson, he tells his experience with a rich lady, Mrs. Pomfrey. She loved her dog and overfed him. The dog was seriously ill. He treated the dog without medicines and surgery. Let me tell you about this lady. The lady was very rich. She loved her pets and she overfed the dog, and the dog became very fat. And due to that, the dog could not walk and the dog was seriously ill. The second character is Tricky, the dog. Tricky was a small dog and was excessively loved by his mistress, Mrs. Pomfrey. He was greedy and loved food but no exercise. As a result, he became fat, and Mrs. Pomfrey believed that he became lazy because he suffered from malnutrition. Now, let me tell you what exactly happens in this lesson. James Herriot stops his car and sees the poor health of Mrs. Pomfrey's dog Tricky. He advises Mrs. Pomfrey to put Tricky on a strict diet and make him exercise daily. Mrs. Pomfrey continues to overfeed Tricky, which worsens his condition. She phones Herriot for help on noticing Tricky's deteriorating health. Herriot decides to hospitalize Tricky for a fortnight to treat him. Tricky's hospitalization left Mrs. Pomfrey and helpers at home in tears. Tricky was kept on a strict diet in the hospital. His diet was increased according to the improvement he showed. The other side, Mrs. Pomfrey was very anxious about Tricky's health and she was continuously phoning and asking about his health. She started to send eggs, wine, and brandy for Tricky to enrich his blood and improve his health. These items were instead enjoyed by James Herriot and his partner because they knew that these things are going to worsen his condition. Now, Tricky was fighting with other dogs for the food. He used to play with them and started becoming nice. And very soon, Tricky transformed from a weak, fat dog to a hard muscled and agile one. Now, James Herriot was happy to see his condition, and afterwards, he phoned Mrs. Pomfrey to come and take Tricky home. She was tense and worried. She did not hope that he was all right. But when the doctor brought Tricky, he jumped at once into Mrs. Pomfrey's arms. She was surprised to see all this. She said that it was a victory of surgery.